Sing the national anthem. माता की
I request respected Dr. Mr. Nagit Prabhakar sir, principal of our school, and each of us has a role to play in continuing the legacy of our founder. Now, to reflect on the importance of this day, I now invite Ms. Avni Henge from class first A to deliver the important Independence Day address.
ये राष्ट्र देव स्वातंत्र्य सूर्य स्वातंत्र्य भारताचे गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन माय नेम इज अवनी आशीर्वाद हेगे टुडे इज 15 August that was that wish you all this day in 1947 Independence Day is the national festival of our country our great freedom fighters sacrificed Shivanu Sumeti and the Yoni Kodula and all who gathered here on this auspicious morning for the celebration of great Independence Day. It is a significant day in the history of India for celebrated with great enthusiasm and patriotism across the nation. On this day, we pay honor to our legendary freedom fighters who sacrificed their lives for our motherhood. आजादी के दीवारों में खेली खून की होली थी, जहाँ हथेली पर लेकर लिखी इनकी टोली थी. ऐसे वीर सपूतों को ये देश नमन करता है. Independence Day inspires the people of India to uphold the value of peace, equality and progress. On the occasion of Independence Day, Prime Minister delivers a speech from Red Fort in Delhi, highlighting the achievements of our country's challenges ahead. Army, Navy, Air Force organized the parade on this special occasion. मैं पूछो जमाने को क्या हमारी कहानी है, हमारी पहचान तो सिर्फ ये है कि हम सिर्फ हिंदुस्तानी है. It's a day of national identity where people come from different cultures, castes and regions come together and celebrate freedom of our country. उत्तरं यत् समुद्रश्च हिमाद्रिश्चैव दक्षिणं वर्षं तद् भारतं नाम भारती यत्र सन्तति. Let's cherish unity, diversity, embrace our cultural heritage. While embracing our modern ideas, let's make better India by breaking barriers and work together. वो जिंदगी ही क्या जिसमें देशभक्ति ना हो, वो मौत क्या फिर जंगे में लिखी ना हो. जय हिंद. स्वतंत्रता उत्सव का पर्व है. It is the greatest festival of democracy. Many freedom fighters sacrificed their lives to get freedom for India. We should be grateful to our freedom fighters. I love my country very much. I am proud to be an Indian. Vande Mataram. Today is Shanti in the history of our family. Tiranga
performance by girls of class 8, 9 and 10 with Archana Kapila.
And the soldiers who fought for freedom. Their dream came fulfilled on this day. When our country gained independence after a long and difficult fight, this account of the independence fight is about the strength, determination and love for our country.
We should recommit ourselves the values and principles that have been always guided us. We should recommit ourselves building a better future for ourselves and our future generations. We should recommit ourselves being a full potential as a nation. Long live freedom, long live democracy, long live Independence Day. Today we are gathered here to celebrate the remarkable journey of our people towards freedom and equality. This year we are celebrating our 78th Independence Day with a special theme of Lucid Fire, which means Joy of India. This theme reflects the Indian government's goal to transform the country into a developed country by 2047, which will be our 100th anniversary of India's independence. It is the day which echoes the sacrifices of our countless heroes who fought tirelessly for our liberty. Jawaharlal Nehru became the first Indian Prime Minister to raise the national flag, and the Delhi Grand violence resistance led back Mahatma Gandhi to the bravery of communist orders, just united in our first of self-determination. As we look back, August 15, India's independence. Their effort can never be forgotten. At last, I would like to say few lines. No nation is perfect, but it needs to be made perfect. So let us work together to build a better nation. Thank you very much.
Fighting for freedom. Crores of Indians left their everything, left their home and did not return again. No other sacrifice can be high. Torture could not be forgotten. You all know that Mahatma Gandhi was opposed to violence, but with his supports, all fighters came out of the field and with the tools of non-violence. Many freedom fighters sacrifices their life for the freedom of the country. As long as the earth exists, the heroic saga of those heroes will be remembered. They will be memorable for their patriotism, love for the country and honesty for the country. Keeping the sacrifices of our ancestors in our mind, we should carve a better future for our mother. At last, by reflecting my respect to those great freedom fighters and towards our nation, I want to say that यह वंदन की धरती है, अभिनंदन की धरती है. यह वंदन की धरती है, अभिनंदन की धरती है. यह अर्पण की भूमि है, यह तर्पण की भूमि है. इसकी नदी नदी हमारे लिए गंगा है, इसका कंकर कंकर हमारे लिए शंकर है. हम जिए
मोहब्बत की मिसाल को पूरी दुनिया हिंदुस्तान कहती है। इस मोहब्बत की मिसाल को पूरी दुनिया हिंदुस्तान कहती है। With this line, I wish you all happy Independence Day. Myself Janki from class 9A. I am here to give speech on 14 August 1947. You all were thinking that why I am giving speech on 14 August. See, there are two sides of coin. One is full of happiness and another thing is complete opposite. On 14 August, Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji had written one poem that was 15 अगस्त का दिन कहता, आजादी अभी बाकी है, सपने सच होने बाकी है, रवि की शपथ न पूरी है, दिन दूर नहीं, खंडित भारत को पुनः अखंडित बनाएंगे, गिरगिरी से गाय पर्वत तक आजादी पर्व मनाएंगे। उस स्वर्ण दिवस के लिए अभी से ही कमर कस बलिदान देंगे, जो पाया उसमें न खोकर जो खोया उसमें ध्यान लगाएंगे। Why did Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji had written this last line? That was जो खोया उसमें ध्यान लगाएंगे। He wants to say that on 15 August, whole India is celebrating the Independence Day, but on one another side, a huge partition between India and Pakistan were happening. This partition was started on 13 August 1947 to 1st of April 1948. In this huge partition, near about more than 60 lakh Muslims migrated to Pakistan and 50 lakh Hindus and Sikhs entered it. By this partition, near about 10 lakh people lost their life only because of Dharm. On that time, Dharm was in the power. And one day before independence, 38 hours ago, on 14 August 1947, one train reached to Amritsar, which was full of dead bodies of Hindu and Muslim. That train was sent from the Lahore. Written by Modi. There are many leaves, but the tree is one. There are many pages, but the book is one. There are many religions and culture, but my India is one. At last, thank you.
कुछ नशा मातृभूमि की शान का है, हम लहराएंगे हर जगह ये तिरंगा, नशा है हिंदुस्तान की शान का है। With these great lines of a warm and delightful morning to honorable dignitaries present on the dais and off the dais, and my dear brothers and sisters, I find myself fortunate to have this privilege of speaking to you from this auspicious podium on the occasion of Independence Day. My heartiest greetings to you all on our 78th Independence Day. It is a glorious and auspicious occasion for all of us. It is a matter of dignity as well as pride for us to see how everyone, children, youths, and elderly are excited and preparing for the festival of our freedom. Who are guiding the borders and police, who are providing the initial security. I once again convey my best wishes, and at last I would like to say a few lines. ये भारत कोई जमीन का टुकड़ा नहीं है, ये भारत एक जीता जाता राष्ट्र पुरुष है। यह वंदन की भूमि है, यह अभिनंदन की भूमि है, यह दर्पण की भूमि है, समर्पण की भूमि है। यहाँ की नदी हमारे लिए गंगा है, यहाँ का कंकर हमारे लिए शंकर है। और हम जिएंगे तो इस भारत माता के लिए और मरेंगे तो इस भारत माता के लिए। और मरने के बाद अगर हमारे अस्थि को कोई प्राण लगाकर भी सुनता है तो अंदर से एक ही आवाज आएगी, भारत माता की। Thank you for providing your patience here. Jai Hind.
हिंदुस्तान जैसे इतने बड़े देश में भी हम सब ने अपना एक छोटा सा कोना पकड़ा हुआ है। ये तेरा, ये मेरा, इस चक्कर में ढेरों बाउंड्रीज बनाई हुई है।
सुनो जोर से दुनिया वालों, पूरी नजर ना हम पे डालो। सुनो जोर से दुनिया वालों, पूरी नजर ना हम पे डालो। चाहे जितना जोर लगाओ, सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तान। सुनो जोर से दुनिया वालों, पूरी नजर ना हम पे डालो। चाहे जितना जोर लगाओ, सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तान। हमने कहा है नाचना जरूर है, मुझे नाचना जरूर है, मुझे नाचना जरूर है, नाचना जरूर है, रंग केसर सुराया, रंग सब्ज खिली फुलकारियां, ओ रंग चिट्टा नीयत साफ रंग तीनों जान से प्यारे, रंग तीनों जान से प्यारे।
Honorable Chief Guest, respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Sir, and all my dear students. Now today we gathered to celebrate a day of immense pride and joy, our Independence Day. It's a day that marks the end of colonial rule and the beginning of a new chapter in our nation. On this day we remember the countless sacrifices made by our freedom fighters who struggled tirelessly to free our nation from oppression. Their bravery and determination gives us the gift of independence which we cherish today. But independence is not just about the freedom has equal opportunities and where peace and harmony prevail. As we raise our national flag today, us renew our commitment to these ideas. Let us pledge to work harder for the betterment of our country and to ensure that sacrifices for our बनाए हम एक नया इतिहास। स्वतंत्रता की यह शुभ सुबह सलामत रहे, हर देशवासी का सर ऊंचा रहे। Once again, I wish you a very happy Independence Day. Now, please join me in extending a warm and heartfelt welcome to our President of our school, Dr. Satish Siddhar sir. He has made remarkable strides in demonstrating a profound commitment to both education and healthcare. His dual role as an educator and medical profession reflects a deep dedication to service and excellence. So we are honored to have you with us today, and we look forward to your inspiring words.
Degrees. Today is 78th Independence Day, and we are celebrating, all of us celebrating Independence Day. Happy Independence Day to all of us. We got the independence by the sacrifices of the all freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Balaji Tandon, Bhagat Singh, Rajguru, and many of the freedom fighters have sacrificed their life for the freedom fighters, to create our country independent. Now we are expecting the Azadi, and we know our rights. Everybody fights for his rights, but no one remembers their duties. Now, on the occasion of the Independence Day, we must remember our duties also. Our duties to our family, our duties to our school, our duties to our town, our duties to our country. Dear friends, India has progressed a lot from the 1947 till 2024, and we have got many results in many fields. Now you can see in 1 second match going in London or America, in your mobile in 1 second. There are many things India has reached on moon and Mangal and everything, but still there are many problems for the developed India. There is main problem in population explosion, other is corruption and other things. We must fight all of us for the corruption and other problems of the India, and we build up a strong and developed India. Our India has developed many countries at our name, and is today called one of the superpowers of the world. But still, there is a lot of things to do. Everybody cannot go and fight on the border, or everybody cannot become a scientist, or everybody cannot become all the things for the nation. But there are many things we can do. As a children, you can spend all international programs like for the independence, study hard, and do the name of the school, and one engineer can build up a very good bridges and this contribute.
The great philanthropist, Dr. Siddhar, my dear colleagues and dear parents, and all my dearest children. First of all, I wish you a very happy Independence Day. Today I witnessed great enthusiasm amongst all you students. A great enthusiasm. Many of the students, they spoke vibrantly, they uttered fire through their words. A small girl of third standard uttering Sanskrit and describing our nation. Then in Hindi, then in Marathi, in English, you relate no language to talk about our nation, to talk about our freedom and the struggle, fighters, and all. But one thing we left. One thing is there about which we have never thought about and we have never contemplated over it. And that one thing is, just look at the size of Britain. It is hardly as big as Maharashtra, one of our states only. But that Britain ruled over such a big nation, and not only just one nation, it ruled over so many nations, far, far bigger than it. and they were far more powerful than it. As a matter of fact, only one state could have driven all the Britishers away. Only one state of India could have driven away all the Britishers. But the Britishers, they succeeded to rule over India for more than 150 years. 3 generations they ruled over our nation. So what was it that made them rule over this nation for such a long time? And what was it that we could not win our freedom struggle so early? Although we were in such a large number, if all the Indians had just picked up just one stone and threw and had thrown over these Britishers, not a single Britisher would have been left here alive. This did not happen. So what was that reason? What made them rule over our nation for such a long time? One incident I tell you, in Gwalior, there was a march past of the British soldiers, British army. Only 2,700 army people marching, and more than 30,000 Indians were watching it. The people who were watching with their heads bowed low, 30,000, and the army ruling over them, 2,700. What would have been if the Indians had thought over there something different? That thought came. It had been coming at that period also, but only amongst few Indians. The British soldiers, they were in such a less number that it was not possible for them to rule over all the entire nation. So they hired Indians to rule over the nation, to work for them. They hired Indians to work for them. They hired Indian soldiers to attack on Indians. Such a bad thing. So again, that question comes before our eyes, before us. What made them rule, although they were in such a small number? The only one thing was there that became the greatest force for them, that all the Britishers, each and every British person, he had one thing in common, and that is the love for his own nation. They thought of their nation and they kept the matter of nation above their personal benefits. They kept the thought of the nation above their personal benefits. They never did anything for their own benefit that could harm their nation. And this one thing made them so much powerful that they ruled over so many countries. And almost all such countries were being ruled by them because the people of those nations, they did not have that much nationalism, they did not have that much thought for their nation. So, if you do not want to be ruled by the people like them, if you want to safeguard your future and safeguard your freedom, then you will also have to think exactly like the Britishers did. You will have to also think like them. You will have to keep the matter of nation above our personal. Nothing more.
On this special occasion that India got freedom and I also got freedom from my mother's womb. Thank you so much.